Hey, today I want to talk to you a little bit about some free TV, and these are some antennas. This is an old antenna that I used to use all the time. It's still good. I don't know why I don't put it up anymore. It's just the others keep lower profile than this one. This one is 9 feet long and about 5 feet wide, and it does a real good job. It'll reach out and touch somebody. This is the type of antenna I like to use today. They have them like this, what I call a single. They call it a CLEARSTREAM 2. And I also use the two-sided one, which they call the CLEARSTREAM 4. Okay, and it says ultra high long range on these, and they do pick up pretty good. I like these real good. Now this is one my neighbor has, and he has pretty good luck with it. It has a rotor on it. It'll actually rotate. If you hit the button on the inside of the house, it'll rotate around. Here's one of my other neighbors has one of these. I call it a wing because it's just sort of flat and it sticks out. There's a lot of people that believes in these antennas because they do a pretty good job. So we'll see what's next. Okay, and here's the ones that I have on my roof. I have two of these. I have that one and this one. As you can see over here, I guess you can see, I'll try to zoom in on it some. I have a little box at the bottom of that where all these wires are running into, and they call that an antenna joiner. Now you can't just tie two antennas together and hope it works, because it's not going to work. You have to have a box specially made for that so they'll join up. And from these I pick up Orlando, Daytona channels. I also pick up Gainesville and Tampa channels, just depending on the weather and the time of day it is. Call a single element that they call a CLEARSTREAM 2, and this I just took this up in my attic and put it up against the studs there, and so we could watch TV. And I just took that wire right there that you see and run it right over here to this, down from the ceiling and to this TV over here, and I'll show it to you in just a second. I was talking about coming out of the ceiling, and it goes right into the back of this Sony TV here I've got mounted on the wall. And I did that so my wife could be in here, she could be exercising or something, and she could watch TV, and it picks up real well. I'll show you in a minute. I get situated here. Okay, and here's this. I was just going to show you real quick. I don't want to get in trouble for showing too much of anything here, but that was the main channel my wife wanted, Buzzer TV. As long as she could get Buzzer TV, she was good to go. And I'll just run through a few of the channels, but I did it a while back, and I think it's about 45 or 50 in here now. That's just off that little antenna in the attic. And so, you know, my whole idea is, you know, just to show you people that you don't have to pay $100 a month to watch TV. That was the NBC affiliate. This is the CBS affiliate, and that's Cozy TV. You get Cozy TV, and you get Decades, and you get, that's the ABC affiliate, and then you get the Laugh channel, Escape channel, and then you got PBS channels, and I'm not sure what, CW channel.
But she caught you in bed, right?
And that's this TV, and it just goes on and on, too many to sit here and actually look at. And like I say, that's just for my antenna up in the attic. And true, this is a lot of these channels you'll never watch. You know, there's a lot of religious channels on here, a lot of Spanish channels on here. If you're Spanish or you're religious, well, this is a haven for you, because I tell you, all of them's on here. And so, that this TV's the only one that little antenna's running. It's running off those two antennas outside there. That's one of them. That's the Grit TV. This is another one. That's the Ellen Show. That's on the NBC network.
Hello, Sophie.
Other room. That's the CBS channel. And just to make it quick, we'll run right in here and get that one. I think that's, I don't know what channel it is. But that's just another one of the channels. But anyway, you can see it's just, what I'm trying to make is you don't have to pay over $100 a month to watch TV. Now I do have a media player that I use. I got it from World TV On Demand, so that helps sometimes when I want to watch something else that's not on the tube. You know, I can watch Cody Box. But outside that, all this is just from an antenna. So I hope you enjoyed my little video here, climbing around through the attic and stuff. And so I hope you watch more of my videos, and that's why we do it around this house, and that's why I'd like to see other people do it around their house. And so y'all have a good day and come back and see me real soon, and please give me a thumbs up if you can and watch more of my videos. Y'all come back now. Have a good day. Goodbye.